everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I am Charlie, as always, for a room tour. One of us is behind the camera, so we have T behind the camera, and we are in Vegas again, another Vegas hotel room. We are really ticking these off now, and today we're in the Cromwell, and we're in a standard double room for the Cromwell. So we're going to show you around to let you see. I'm going to give you a bit of a spoiler. I really like this room. This room is a bit of me. Don't know what it says about me once you see it, but this room's a bit of me. So let's start. Locking mechanism, always important. So we have double lock here. We have the main lock, and then we have the one there that just stops it if it comes open. So all good, all great stuff. And then I just don't know where to start. Let's move here. Let's move across. So straight away, picture's going to catch your eye. The wallpaper behind me is probably going to catch your eye. But even the sofa and the little coffee table, do we call it, here as well?
I think that opens out to a bed. When you open up the top, lift the lid off the top. It seems like some sort of mattress or something.
Oh wow. I'm not going to play around with that because it does come up, like you say. Ah, there you go. Worked it out. It's a coffee table. It just allows you to... T likes it. Bit of desk space, as always. So, let's put that away. Really cool. But if you're eagle-eyed, you can kind of see some of the patterns and some of the detailing on this. This goes through the whole room and I really like it. It's really cool. So, we have that here. A little bit tight for space with it, but it does work. And then I've got to just point out this picture. I don't know what it's quite all about. Seems a bit Vogue, is that the word? Would Vogue be right? But it works. I really like the gold detailing around the edge of like the frame, and it just goes well with the wallpaper. And the lights, if you look at the lights, you can just see, I'm just getting a bit excited really, because everything just has a style and a theme. So yeah, all of this, very nice switches here. While we're here, just so you know, something quite cool about this room, you have a phone, but you also have your USB sockets there, but an actual charger as well. So you can just sit your phone there and charge it, which I think is a really nice touch for a hotel room. I don't know why.
Only on your side of the bed though.
Only on one side of the bed, so yeah, you have to fight for it. But I think that's a really nice touch. I think more hotels should do that. So when we come through, notice the flooring, wooden flooring. When we looked at the pictures of Cromwell online, we hesitated a little bit about booking it because we weren't sure whether we'd like the room based off the pictures, but the pictures really don't do it justice, I have to say. So, we again have this nice detail in here. You've got, oh, that came out hard. You've got a drawer there, you've got a wardrobe there, or cupboard space, and then you have your safe down the bottom. Loads of room for your safe. As always, it's your key is your digital key. Put in your numbers, lock it as you wish, but loads of room. Put in all our laptops, all the good stuff in there, so you've got plenty of space. In here is a minibar. A very nice looking minibar. Plenty of drinks. As always, if you know us, you've seen our room tours, we don't touch any of that. If you pick it up for more than 30, 60 seconds, you will be charged, even if you don't use it. And for us, there's just much better value places to get food. Yes, again, also up here, we also have some more. We actually have a coffee machine as well, and we haven't used it. I don't know if there are any coffee pods in the room, but I did hear someone outside the room asking for creamer, which suggested that they had coffee pods, whether they bought them or not. Let's keep going through now. And again, the vibe of this room is just, they really have stuck to their theme. It's not really a theme, the style, I guess is probably the word, but this chair really looks cool. Who knows, it may even be the thumbnail of the video. Who knows? But I really like this chair. It's really cool. It comes up high and it goes very similar to the bed and the wallpaper on the wall as well. But we'll show you the bed in a bit. Next, this mirror. This mirror is cool. If you look at this mirror and T shows it with the camera, you may notice it's a little bit blurry, shall we say? Slightly blurry. We wondered why that was. We thought that's a bit strange. So turns out when the lights are completely out in this room, that's see-through. So you can see straight through what's in there, the shower. So you can see straight through into the shower. Pretty cool, something a bit different. Obviously, you need to know that before you come, because depending on who you're staying with, you need to have an idea of whether you want that to happen or not. But if the lights are on in this room, it's a mirror. When the lights go off, you can see straight through. Let's keep going. Purposely skip the bed, as always. We will come back to the bed. But again, same detailing on the cupboards and the wardrobes. You have your iron in there, you have plenty of hangers, you have a hairdryer, and you do have Well, you had your ironing board there and your iron there. 3 drawers, plenty of space in each of the drawers as well. Plenty of space for your luggage. Moving on, one of the things that got big marks for this room is it has a vanity station and a vanity station outside the bathroom that can be used, right, T?
Yes, so this lovely place over here for you to put any of your tools. You've got this lovely workspace here, and of course the vanity mirror, which you can switch on and off.
And I really like the open exposed bulbs. I think it looks a little bit circusy, it's probably it, but I think it works. And like I say, I just really like the whole style. Before we go into the bathroom, I'm just going to touch on here. You've got your curtains, you've got your daytime one, well, I forget the name of it, and then you've got your blackout one behind. So that's all good. We don't have a very good view, and you kind of have a balcony, and maybe once upon a time you could go out there, but just so you know, that these locks, you can't open it, which is a shame, but there's not much for us to go out onto there for. So we didn't miss out. Now, the bathroom. Slide through and have a look at the bathroom. This is a very sturdy door. We've seen these on some of our US road trip hotels up until this point. I think Memphis Hotel Indigo had a door like this, and it really, this is just so much sturdier. And that's a good point. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, now is a great time to subscribe to the channel. If you love Vegas, we have Vegas playlists, but we also have and are currently finishing our US road trip. So we've got a playlist of our whole US road trip. So check that out. Great time to mention it. Now you can see the bathroom. So, a little bit echoey. Bathroom cabinet or side here is a little bit small, but they really make the most of it. I think we've been to other hotel rooms in Vegas. They have a much bigger side, but a smaller sink, which is quite interesting. So the sink's really nice. A couple of points we do have to note about this one is we have a broken tap there, and we actually have a crack here. So, gonna be honest, got to show you all the details. As much as I love this hotel room, there are a couple of bits that just, you know, need to be fixed, need to be changed. Really like the mirror, really like the way it's hanging down. Again, I keep repeating it, but the style is just bang on all the way through. Now, oh, that's not what I wanted to do. There must be a light somewhere. Let's try again. There we go. I am going to show you potentially again, have a think what this says about me. I don't know what this says about me. You can judge as you wish, but this is potentially my favourite hotel picture I have ever seen in any hotel room. So let's see. And obviously you've got the toilet in there where everyone does their business. But look at this. I absolutely love this picture. This is so cool. It's just the way the dog looks. He just looks happy. You know, I like the style of the chair. I like the frame, but the dog just finishing off with his crown. Like, that is so cool. I don't know what that says about me, like I say, but really like that. Now, if we come through, we do have the shower. The shower is really nice. I would love to be able to translate everything that it says, but you've got a lot of nice phrases, and they're in a number of different languages. You've got French down the bottom. I don't know if it's just English and French, but you've got a number of languages. Tiling's really nice. Shower's very strong. Shower obviously comes through here, and there's a mirror on this side. Again, you would see through that if the lights were off on the other side. So, in true all things TNC fashion, we're going to test out the shower. Let you know what the pressure's like. I'm going to struggle not to get
wet your trousers.
There we go. Very nice shower, really hot, really warm, lovely, absolutely lovely. It's actually coming out here right now, and you can twist it and get it up there, but we won't do that because I will definitely get wet. And straight off. So, very nice. A bit of a different style of the shower. I wouldn't have expected with the rest of the room the shower to look like that, but cool. Almost forgot. All the details are important. Look at the chandelier. And that takes us nicely through to the main part of the room, the bed. Again, it's just this style. I really like it. Like we said, we saw this style on the website and we weren't sure if we were going to like it or not. We've hesitated a couple of times about booking Cromwell before. This time we just went with it, and I really like this headboard. Really nice. And I'm going to jump on the bed. As always, we test out the bed for you by jumping on it. So let's give it a go. On 3.
3, 2, 1. That was really nice.
It's such a comfortable bed. We've slept on this bed for a couple of nights now, and it's so nice. All the Vegas hotel room beds tend to be pretty good. Some not quite as good. Planet Hollywood, if you need to see me my head bounce off a bed for a laugh, then check out the Planet Hollywood run. But ones we stayed in recently have all been great. Lovely pillows, very nice. You get a great night's sleep. Absolutely amazing. And I am just going to finish off. We don't normally give too many opinions on Vegas hotel rooms when we do these tours, but like I said, I absolutely love this room. I don't know what it says about me, but it's amazing. So, before I finish, TV, you almost missed it out. Some of you will really need to know what it's like, and it's in a nice little frame. So again, everything has lovely detail, nice big TV right in front of your bed. So that is the Cromwell. Like we said, we've done a lot of Vegas hotel room tours. So if you want to check any of those out, check out our channel. But for now, that's it from us. We will see you in the next one.